demo of the Chef AI app. So it's a simple UI. To start off with, we can view the items that we've already bought and put into our fridge. So these are food, we can see how much of it, when it was added, and the expiration date if one has been set. We can then add an item to our fridge. Let's say we're going out shopping, we've put sugar in the trolley, or we've come home with some sugar. So we can just add sugar. We can type an amount that we have, so I don't know, say 450 grams worth. You can change the units between grams, milliliters, ounces, and pounds. So we're going to go with grams. You can set an expiration date if the item you have has a known expiration date. So there we go. And then we can just press add item. Next to the main feature of this app is generating a unique recipe based on what you already have in the fridge. So we're going to press get cooking, let's say breakfast, and a small message will pop up showing that it's being generated. It will give us a title of the recipe, nutritional information, instructions, and a recipe. The app will automatically prioritize items which are close to their expiration date to stop food waste. And every recipe will be different based on what you have and the type of meal that you have selected. The link to download this app will be in the description. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you with the next app.